Hello, 大家好, I'm Cottoncaley. This is my second video. Today I'm going to teach you Chinese personal pronoun. Something like I, you, he, she, it. So let's go. 我 你
他
我们你们
他们
他们
How do we turn I into my, you into your? It's really easy. All you need to do is to put the after 我、你、他、我们、你们、他们. Look at the yellow characters in the middle. The indicates the possessions or belonging. So 我 adds the becomes 我的. 你 adds the becomes 你的. 他 adds the becomes 他的. 我们 adds the becomes 我们的. 你们 adds the becomes 你们的. 他们 adds the becomes 他们的.
Congratulations! Now you learned all the personal pronouns. I hope you learned a lot today. Thank you for watching my videos. And if you have any questions, just leave the comment below and I'll go and check. Okay, see you next time. Bye!